In this video we're going to be installing a new brake backing plate on the front driver's side of this Audi A6. The plate on this car has been broken for a little while and you can hear it rattling whenever you go over any bumps, and it hits the back of the disc and makes quite a loud scoring noise. With the wheel off, we have two 13mm bolts holding the caliper on. So we're going to remove these. Remove the retaining clip. And remove the caliper. We can hang it up out of the way. Or set it on the wishbone. Next we have to remove the caliper carrier. It's held in place by two 21mm bolts. These are going to be tight, so you'll need a breaker bar. There's a T30 bolt to remove, and that's holding the disc on. So I'm going to clean it out. Give it a little tap. Here we can see our backing plate, and we can see it's worn out around where the top two studs go. We can see this shiny part where it's been rubbing on the disc. So these are all T30 again, and we're going to remove those, clean it up, and then put our new one on. Our new one looks correct. With things cleaned up a little bit now, we're going to install our new plate. Applied a little bit of copper grease to the bolts. These plates are made of aluminium on this car as opposed to steel like other cars, so they don't tend to rust out. What normally happens is when they're taking the wheel off, it gets a jolt down and then it'll crack top two holes. So be careful when you're taking your wheels off, and it might prevent this. So that's our new plate on. We're going to tighten everything up, and it's the reverse procedure to put everything back together. Hopefully that's useful to you. Thanks. Bye bye.